Gee, treasure.
Okay, good morning. Here is good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Here is your local humanizer, Teume Money. So, yes, I got a gift from my friend, and she gave me an album. Not album, but photocard binder album, because honestly I am not a photocard collector, but I collect album. Just started, and yes, I need it. I need this. Also, I love taking photos of my friends. Yes, so let's get started. This welcoming album. Well, actually it's only the box. I didn't buy the whole thing because I'm broke. Yo, I'm broke. Wait a second, how to open it? I got it for like 25 ringgit. I bought for the CD actually, but yeah, sadly. Stop volume, okay? Yoshi. This is the one that I won. I thought I won an album, but actually I won a photo card. So yeah, actually I'm pretty lucky. This lucky guy is always coming home, and this is Suhyun. So, and Yedami. So and Yeda. That's how I got Mashi. Takata, Mr. Takata senpai. This one is a freebies though. I mostly have freebies, but it's okay. Haruto. This one is also a gift from my friend during my birthday. Thank you. That's a Hyunsuki.